Today's technical briefing focuses on two performance platforms that, despite operating in different environments, follow nearly identical design philosophies. The BMW S1000RR and the F-22 Raptor are both engineered around three core principles: maximize power output, maintain stability at extreme velocities, and integrate electronic systems that extend the limits of the operator. Both utilize advanced aerodynamic shaping. Both rely on electronic control surfaces. Both require highly trained pilots or riders to unlock their full capability. And both represent the absolute peak of their respective categories. In this analysis, we'll break down how their engineering overlaps across thrust, speed, maneuverability, stealth, weapon systems, and control technologies, and why these platforms behave far more alike than most people realize. The F-22 Raptor produces over 70,000 pounds of thrust, enough to yeet a fully grown moose into orbit. The BMW S1000RR produces 205 horsepower, scientifically classified as too much for anyone with student debt. But here's where things get interesting. The F-22 uses twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 afterburning turbofans. The S1000RR uses 1-liter inline-4 that screams like it owes the IRS money. The Raptor has afterburners. The S1000RR has a quick shift. The F-22 can hit Mach 2.25, exceeding 1,500 miles an hour. The S1000RR tops out at 186 miles per hour, unless you remove the limiter. At that point, it reaches, "Officer, I promise I didn't see you." But the parallels continue. Both platforms outrun anything legally permitted in their environment. The F-22 outruns radar locks. The S1000RR outruns your dad's 2011 Ford Explorer. Advantage tie. Both are operated by people who should not be anywhere near a DMV. The F-22 pulls 9 Gs during combat maneuvers. The S1000RR pulls 9 Gs when you slam the brakes because a Honda Civic merged without looking. The F-22 uses thrust vectoring nozzles. The S1000RR uses a $600 steering damper because you watched Wong Tank Slapper compilation. The F-22 can dodge missiles. The S1000RR can dodge potholes, sometimes. Advantage draw. Both demand full body tension when anything unexpected happens. The F-22 is coated with radar absorbing materials, bending electromagnetic waves to minimize detection. The S1000RR, it achieves invisibility using a much simpler technique. Car drivers simply don't look. The Raptor avoids radar locks. The RR avoids eye contact from anyone over 40. Advantage draw. Both disappear from awareness through completely different scientific phenomena. The F-22 carries AIM-9 sidewinders and a 20mm Vulcan cannon. The S1000RR carries a glove box that can't fit one chapstick. But consider this. The F-22 has electronic warfare systems. The S1000RR has an electronic throttle that convinces new riders to launch themselves into shrubbery. The Raptor has countermeasures. The RR has insurance premiums designed to emotionally break its owner. Advantage draw. Both can destroy morale on command. The S1000RR uses ride-by-wire, regulating throttle input through witchcraft. The Raptor can supercruise without afterburners. The RR can supercruise through traffic without blinkers. Both rely on microprocessors to prevent human error from becoming a headline. Advantage draw. Both machines only pretend the operator is in charge. The F-22 dominates. On the highway, the S1000RR wins, until the F-22 arrives. In a dogfight, the bike loses. In a school zone, the bike still loses. But in price to fun ratio, the S1000RR is unmatched. The F-22 can run you $150 million. Meanwhile, the S1000RR will only cost you your mental stability plus registration fees. Final verdict, draw. Engineering logic breaks down when comparing perfection to perfection. Submit your next comparison request. Hayabusa versus an Apache helicopter. S1000RR versus a bullet train. Kawasaki H2 versus the moon. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.